Beard
Ooh,
fight.
sneak attack. Came around the back.
What are you doing?
Two birds are like.
Having it out. Beard fight.
They're staying together though.
Dang. Whoa, did you see?
It's the ancient art of courtship, obviously. No? How we did. We fought.
Oh man!
each other.
Oh, look at that! Look at it! Look at it! Guys, look at it! Oh, no, this is gonna get publicity on YouTube.
You wish.
How you doing? Hair good?
Get that other, we gotta get going.
Bath lights on.
It's gonna be busy.
I'm either way on the tree. Let's go.
There'll be people there from years ago that never came back, haven't been back. Huh?
Sure they'll be looking for us.
Come on, one more time. I gotta go. Come on.
Alright, I'm going to the car. And
Oh, fight. Fight it out. Fight it out. Fight it out. Fight it out, Beardy. Fight it out.
Somebody turn on the bathroom light.
Matthew, did you brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Why?
I did.
Okay. So your bristles are wet?
Yes.
That's about it.
Okay.
Teeth is minty. Moving over here.
Here, right.
Give me a sec.
You go on, I gotta fix your collar. There. Where are they at?
Go up there.
Up where? Oh, way up there. Gotcha. Alright, come on.
Beard fight 2.0.